You know, I know there's a lot of current discussion about teachers and how they interact with students, especially in an environment where we have a lot of social media. It's a different age. This is the age of Facebook and Twitter and texting, and so we need to have clear expectations and rules of behavior for teachers and how they interact with students. A lot of it may be, teachers may just be unaware of what the rules are and what the expectations are. So if there's any confusion at all, teachers should read DH regulations. And let me read a few things for you, and then hope that you'll go online and look at the regulations under social media. So for example, the employee shall limit communications to matters within the scope of the employee's professional responsibilities. For example, classroom teachers would talk about matters relating to classwork, homework, tests. For employees in extracurricular activities, they would talk about matters relating to that extracurricular activity. Second point, the employee is prohibited from knowingly communicating with students through a personal social networking page. Bullet 3, the employee may communicate with students using a professional social network page, which must be district approved and accessible to both administrators and parents. The next bullet, the employee shall not communicate directly with any student between the hours of 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. The employee does not have a right to privacy with respect to communications with students and parents. Those are just some of the items in DH regulations, and employees should familiarize themselves with that regulation.